Hey guys, do you really want your hair to be soft, smooth and super strong, all by using very natural things? Then this video is for you. Stay tuned till the end of the video because I'm going to show you amazing 2-minute hair mask which you will apply on your hair and you will actually see the result. If you're new to my channel, my name is Priya and I make videos on hair, makeup and fashion as I'm a professional hairstylist and a makeup artist. So I'm sure you must have understood with the title that this video is all about hair care, hair mask. This hair mask is very easy and very quick as it is made with only 2 ingredients, that is banana and aloe vera. Now if you guys are regular to my channel, you guys must be knowing that I'm super obsessed with aloe vera gel because it has so many advantages. As aloe vera contains vitamin A, B, C and E, it prevents from hair loss, it helps you from dandruff, and it has vitamin B12 again, which is really good for your hair strength. And banana is an excellent source of sodium, potassium, vitamins, which is again good for your hair shine and hair smoothness. As this process is very quick and easy, I'm sure you guys will try this at home. So let's start with the process. So I hope you understood the process, and it is very easy guys, it is very easy and very quick. I want you guys to try it at home because this doesn't need so much of ingredients that is not available in the house. Plus, after applying the mask, make sure you shampoo and condition your hair because banana is little sticky based, plus aloe vera gel is a gel based. So it will stick on your hair if you will not wash with the shampoo. So keep this for 10-15 minutes and wash your hair with shampoo and conditioners. I'm sure you will get the result. I would advise you to do once or twice in a week. That's it. and let me know how is the result. Please try to connect me on Instagram. I would really want to know you guys, and I want to understand what all videos do you want from me. Yeah, so thank you so much. I hope you like, share and subscribe my channel. Until then, bye.